What's up guys, we are back and it's a tough time for Samsung, and it's even a tougher time if you are the head of the mobile division. From the big Samsung hack to the GOS scandal, 2022 is going rough for Samsung right now. Samsung was caught slowing down the phones using their game optimization service. You guys know the whole story by now. So what just happened? Well, you don't realize how big this issue has gone in South Korea. Samsung is even being sued right now because of this whole GOS scandal. Their customer trust has been affected by this massively, and it seems like one person might get punished the most, the Mr. Happy himself, the head of mobile division TM Rowe. On 16th March, Samsung is set to hold a big meeting with the shareholders, and recently they had a pre-online electronic voting, and based on the results it seems like some shareholders have voted against the appointment of Roh Tae-moon. The full outcome of this will be revealed after the meeting, so we could potentially have a new mobile head of division for Samsung. Now, along with the game optimization service issue, another big thing that happened was the recent Samsung hack. A lot of confidential information was leaked, including the Galaxy source code. About 200 GB torrent data was posted online that contained source code for the bootloader and biometric authentication systems on some of the Galaxy devices. Samsung responded to Bloomberg and issued a statement that no customer data was breached. Again, this has all made Samsung look really bad in the eyes of media, and of course it has affected the customer trust, which is why this investigation is going on with the big shareholder meeting happening on the 16th, which could potentially lead to the removal of TM Rowe as the mobile head division. Also in the news, the YouTuber Golden Reviewer has done a test of GOS off on both variants of the S22 Ultra, Qualcomm and Exynos. And once again, there is a significant gain in the performance on both chips, with Exynos averaging at 52 frames per second while Qualcomm at 54.9 FPS. Now understandably, at this high performance we do have some CPU throttling, but then again the average FPS is still higher than what Samsung does with their GOS. So we have 37 FPS on average for Exynos and about 41 for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Again, the performance gain is very obvious. We can understand why fans are angry. This performance mode should have been given to the users since the Galaxy S10. Now Samsung responded to this GOS issue with even more detail, and they've said that the upcoming update will have temperature optimization as well. So even with the unlocked CPU and GPU performance with GOS off, the temperature will be safely managed. And Samsung also officially confirmed that there's going to be an average boost of up to 10 frames per second with this game optimization service turned off. They've also confirmed that benchmarks were not included in game optimization service, which is why they got banned from the Geekbench. Again, as of now, Samsung has not officially addressed this Geekbench issue. Now last but not the least, get ready, Samsung is launching their Galaxy A series this month. We're gonna see up to 4 phones coming out with Galaxy A13, A33, A53, and of course the big boy, the Galaxy A73. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for the full coverage on the Galaxy A series very soon. So that's all the latest news. Let me know what you think about the recent controversy. We might see a new mobile head division, so it's looking pretty tough for Samsung right now. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.